So you've had a knee replacement and you notice that the skin around your knee is numb. Why is that? Why did it happen? How long is it going to last? Will it go away? So those are all the questions that I'm going to answer for you today in this video about numbness following total knee replacement. So stick around. If this is your first time finding my channel, well, welcome, and please subscribe so you get updates when videos like this come out. And for all of you watching, if you'd please click the thumbs up button, it helps people like you that are searching for information like this to find videos that can help answer their questions, especially about knee replacement. Hi, welcome back. Adam Rosen. I am going to talk to you today about one of the more common questions that I get asked about, and that is, why is my knee numb after a knee replacement? So I talk to my patients a lot about this, so most of my patients are aware going into surgery that this can happen. And I even did a video about a year or so ago on the common things that you will see after knee replacement surgery. And I'll put a link to that video in the show notes. And one of those things was numbness. So a lot of people will message me on the chat and say, why is my knee numb? Can you go over why my knee is numb after knee replacement? So here you go. But there are nerves that cover the skin around our knee. These are called the geniculate nerves, and they basically make up a spider web of nerves that supply sensation to the skin around the knee. They don't control any muscles. And when we make an incision, a vertical incision over the front of the knee, an up and down incision, and this can be commonly for knee replacement, but we also use it if we're repairing a broken kneecap called a patella, or the top of your shin bone if that's broken or fractured, called the tibial plateau, will make a vertical incision. And these nerves that we can't see with the human eye inadvertently get cut. And the nerves typically travel from the inside, or what's called the medial side of the knee, to the outside or lateral side of the knee, which means now that the outside or lateral side of your knee has a numb patch. So for your right knee, this would be on the right side of the knee, and on your left knee, it would be on the left side of your knee. And usually that patch is oval in shape, and it's a pretty big area, but nerves do grow back. Nerves regenerate. So for most people, at a year, that numbness area has shrunken down to about the size of a silver dollar. And what I try to explain to people when they ask, how does this happen? Think of it like a big tree. So if you cut down a huge branch, there'd be a big gap where the leaves are not. And that big branch doesn't necessarily grow back, but the other smaller branches from the branch above and below that will fill in with leaves. So that space or gap that you see in the tree now is filled in with other smaller leaves. And that can typically happen to these nerves as they regrow around your knee. So again, if you've had a knee replacement and you have numbness, this is typically normal. And the good news is that it only controls sensation, not muscle. And the other good news is that over time, you should see that area of numbness get smaller and smaller and smaller. So I hope this has answered your questions. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam Rosen. Until next time, stay safe.